Hello, this is Jack, and I'm gonna comment on a video titled "Preparing a Pig for Roasting in Tonga," which is graphic. Well, I think this video right here, I'm not gonna show the video because it's way too graphic. So please take the video off, or else please do not kill pigs like that or animals like that, because they are too precious to kill. And besides, God created everything. Pigs, if you think of it, when you think of it, are just like us people. So they have a brain, they have a heart, they have a soul, they have everything. So please do not kill animals. Okay? I'll just show you one this only. And that's it. That's it. You know. Okay, so please do not kill animals. That disgusts me. I just seen part of the video, so please do not do that. Alright? It's against God's laws. But I suppose you have to eat some animals to eat to stay healthy. But however, please don't do that. It's too gross and too disgusting. Alright? Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Okay, bye for now.